Welcome back to Car Look. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Genesis G100, a luxury sedan that's redefining the segment with its bold design, cutting-edge features, and outstanding performance. Genesis has been making waves in the automotive world, and the G100 is no exception. Let's take an in-depth look at what makes this luxury flagship a true game-changer. The first thing that catches your eye about the Genesis G100 is its commanding presence. The exterior design is a perfect blend of sophistication and modernity. The signature Crest Grille, flanked by sleek quad LED headlights, gives the G100 a bold and unmistakable front-end appearance. The long, sweeping lines of the body, coupled with its low and wide stance, exude elegance and confidence. The fastback-style roofline and chrome accents further enhance its premium appeal, while the distinctive rear light bar adds a futuristic touch. With large 21-inch alloy wheels and a range of stunning color options, the G100 is a car that demands attention from every angle. Step inside, and the Genesis G100 welcomes you into a world of luxury and innovation. The cabin is meticulously crafted with high-quality materials, including premium leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum. The interior layout is both driver-focused and passenger-friendly, with an expansive dashboard and a minimalist design that screams sophistication. At the center, you'll find a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to entertainment. The fully digital instrument cluster and augmented reality head-up display ensure you have all the information you need at a glance. Passengers in the rear are treated to first-class comfort, with reclining seats, individual climate controls, and even massage functionality. Ambient lighting and a state-of-the-art Lexicon sound system complete the luxurious experience, making every journey a pleasure. Under the hood, the 2025 Genesis G100 offers impressive performance that matches its upscale design. The base model features a powerful 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering 375 horsepower and silky smooth acceleration. For those craving more power, there's an optional 5.0-liter V8 that pushes out 420 horsepower, providing a truly exhilarating driving experience. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and come with rear-wheel drive as standard, with all-wheel drive available for added traction and stability. The G100 also features an adaptive suspension system that effortlessly balances comfort and dynamic handling, ensuring it's just as enjoyable on a winding road as it is on a long highway drive. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Genesis G100 starts at around $75,000, making it a competitive option in the luxury sedan market. Fully loaded models with all the bells and whistles can reach upwards of $100,000, but even at this price point, the G100 offers exceptional value compared to its European rivals. Genesis has packed this car with features and technology typically found in vehicles that cost significantly more, making it an attractive option for luxury car buyers. The 2025 Genesis G100 is more than just a car. It's a statement. It represents Genesis's commitment to pushing boundaries and delivering a world-class luxury experience. From its stunning design to its high-tech interior and thrilling performance, the G100 is a true contender in the luxury sedan market. That's all for today's deep dive on Car Look. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Genesis G100, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews and the latest automotive news. Let us know in the comments what you think of the G100 and what cars you'd like to see us cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.